In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your WhatsApp chat backup from Google Drive. With these straightforward steps, you can reclaim some much needed storage space and ensure that your personal data is managed as you see fit. First off, let's open your web browser and head over to Google Drive. You can do this by simply typing Google Drive into your search bar or navigating directly to drive.google.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, the same one you use for your WhatsApp backups. Now that you're on the Google Drive homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already. It might look like a standard file management system, but there's more here than meets the eye, especially regarding storage and backup management. So once you're comfortably on the homepage, the next step is to find and click on the storage section. You'll typically see the storage option in the left-hand menu, usually towards the bottom. Clicking storage gives you an overview of how your Google account storage is being used, which not only includes Google Drive files but also Gmail and, most importantly for us, your backups. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner where you should see a small icon or tab labeled Backups. Clicking on this will lead you to the backup page, which is the area we're looking to explore further to manage those WhatsApp backups. Here you'll be able to see all the backups associated with your Google account. This can include backups from smartphones, tablets, as well as apps like WhatsApp. We're getting closer to our goal now. In the list of backups, you'll see an entry labeled something like WhatsApp backup. This is the item we need. Simply click on this entry. By doing so, a detailed view of your WhatsApp backup will be displayed. It's essential to make sure that you're selecting the correct backup, especially if you have multiple devices or apps backing up data to Google Drive. Finally, let's get to that deletion. There should be a delete icon or trash icon near this WhatsApp backup information. Once you're sure that you've selected the right item, go ahead and click on that delete icon. Google Drive may prompt you with a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to proceed with this deletion. This is your opportunity to double check everything. Once you're confident that you want to delete the backup, confirm the action and your WhatsApp chat backup will be permanently removed from Google Drive. And there you have it, we've successfully deleted a WhatsApp chat backup from Google Drive. Remember, performing this action will not affect your chats on your device directly, but it does remove the ability to restore to previous chat data from this specific backup in the future. As always, make sure to handle data management with care to ensure you preserve the information that's most important to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.